everybody. Lois Jobe Bell, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. So we're here at the real estate event, and we got a lot of people here. Just walking around, showing you who's here. This is dogs. It's vacant property security. We have vendors of all kinds here. These are people who are helping with people to get properties, fair trade. This is an extra unit. These are people doing evictions. These are vendors who are helpful for real estate investing. I'm going over here into a quieter area. This is Ken. He does tax sales. These guys have, you see, 3 5s. 3 5s is turnkey properties. Let's see who else. Oh, this is Easy Street Capital. So they'll help you with funding and whatnot. This is Sam's Real Estate Club. That was Sam. Oh, this is LA Fixers. LA Fixers doing exclusive off-market real estate wholesale. Gotta love that. Sam's Real Estate Club.
I like it down there, so.
Exclusive off-market deals. Oh, New Western. It's New Western. Okay. New Western. So this is the real estate club meeting with a ton of investors, and we haven't even begun yet. Lois Jobe Bell, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Come visit us.